Welcome back, YouTube. Today you tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. And today I got me a Boston butt. So I be watching the barbecue pit masters cook downs all the time, man. And I noticed for the competition they be doing a lot of injections and stuff on their Boston butts to make pulled pork and stuff. So today I got some apple juice that I'm gonna be injecting in there, and I'm gonna just put my dry rub, mix it up in there for a little seasoning. So this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna just put like I guess an eighth cup of dry rub in my stuffing. Mix it up real good. They say you wanna have the meat not super cold out the fridge, cause you don't want it to just freeze up in there. So I'm just coming here in these little pointer muscles. I think she pretty much she done. So today I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna hit it with some sea salt and some black pepper. Alright, stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna go get the smoker ready, man. Alright, so we got our smoker nice and ready. Smoke rolling today. So we'll go ahead and put our Boston butt on here. Back here in this back. Stay tuned, you guys. We're gonna let that smoke roll on there for a couple hours. For about 2 hours, then we'll come out here and spritz it with some 1/4 of apple cider vinegar and water. Stay tuned. So it's been about 2 hours now, and we're about to get to sprit our Boston butt down. Just want to so it stay nice and moist. So we back in, we're about to go ahead and spritz it down. Alright, so we about to go on get ahead and wrap our Boston butt in this butcher's paper, man. Once you get it the color you want, you can go ahead and wrap her up. Like so. Get it wrapped like so, and we just go place it back on the smoker. Probably about a good 4 hours. Stay tuned. Alright, man. So our Boston butt will be on 8 hours. We're gonna let it cool for an hour. Woo! She's smelling amazing. Let's see what we got here. All you gotta do is just take you some right here. Like that. Look at that. Oh, you can see that injection in there too. Yeah, I'm gonna just take and put me some on a sandwich. Just go ahead and crumble it on up like that. Give me a little bit more. Man, look at that lovely smoke ring on there. Do just like that. Get you a little coleslaw. Hey, it smells so good, I don't think I need no sauce. And then there you have it, man. You have it. The Southern Smoked Boss style of the Boston butt. Can't get no better than it. So I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to your boy Southern Smoked Boston Day. Hey, drop some comments below of what you guys like about this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.